part 3. Sorry about that. We will go as quickly as possible. Here we go. I just finished up showing you guys how to find the length of an arc. Now, let's talk about a couple things in the LMS. Okay, there's some examples. Page 8, there's a great example I want you to go look at. And there's a math cast on page 12 that Mrs. Simmons goes through and does the arc length if you need to see another example. And there's also a proof. Now remember, proofs are just to show you how things are proved, and you can view that. You won't be tested on the proof. Okay, so this is the one last concept at the end of lesson 2. And this is how it goes. Okay, let's say you have a circle. And let's say you have 2 diameters. And our center is, we'll call it C for circle. Okay, now we know that these are diameters because they're going through the center C. I'm going to connect A and B, and I'm going to connect X and Y, and we're going to say that those 2 chords, because the endpoints are on the circle, those 2 chords are congruent to each other. Okay, well, what can we say? If these 2 chords are congruent to each other, then arc AB, the arc from A to B, has to be equal to this measure of the arc from X to Y. Doesn't that make sense? If these are going through the center, and these are diameters, and these chords are the same, these arcs must be the same. That's all we're saying. Okay, and the converse is true. If you have a circle, and you know that the arcs are congruent to each other, then you know that the chords have to be congruent also. The chords that are connecting the diameters. And that's the converse of the chord theorem, arc and chord theorem. Okay, so if you have chords congruent, arcs are the same. If you have arcs are congruent, then chords are the same. Now, what are you doing from here? If you will go print off your PDF that goes with lesson 1 and lesson 2, and I believe today is 5, 7, 8, and 10 with an option of 9 and 11. So they shouldn't be too long. There's lots of pictures and very visual, and learn your vocabulary. So anyway, good luck. And you know what? Those may be the only the problems from lesson 2. So go back to lesson 1 too and print those off and see what those problems are too. Or print off your weekly calendar and it should be on there too. Have a great day.